It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a special video. I'm going to share with you how to make my rainbow pound cake. This is a vanilla pound cake. It's very moist, flavorful, and colorful as you see here. I'm going to share with you how I color my batter and how I layer each color to come out so beautifully vibrant and delicious. Also, a full recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with the supplies that I'll be using as well. Now, once you cut into this cake, this is what you're going to see. A beautiful and vibrant pound cake. You ready to get started? Let's go. Starting off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a ½ teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. You want to take your whisk and whisk that until it's all well incorporated. In another bowl, you're going to add in 3 sticks of softened, unsalted butter, and you're going to mix that until it's nice and smooth. Now you want to take a spatula and you just scrape the sides of your bowl and then make sure that is beautifully smooth as you see here. And then we're going to add in 3 cups of granulated sugar. And we're going to add in a little bit at a time and mix in between. And once you have all the sugar incorporated, you're going to beat this for 10 minutes. So make sure you mix for 10 minutes, y'all, and it's going to get nice and fluffy. And this is the result you want your butter and sugar to come out to be. Be sure to scrape your sides, and it should be nice, fluffy, and smooth like you see here. So now we're going to add in all our eggs. I'm using 5 large eggs at room temperature, and you want to add in 1 at a time, and you want to beat after you have applied your egg, and just beat it until the egg is incorporated. And then you want to mix this until it's nice and incorporated, and then we're going to add in our flour. Simple. So you're going to alternate your flour with your milk. So you're going to have your milk added, and then you're going to mix in between, and then you're going to come back and add your flour and just keep alternating between the two until they're all in your bowl and all mixed in together. Now, once you have all of the ingredients mixed in, this should be nice and smooth like so. And you don't want to overmix this. Just mix until all the ingredients is well incorporated, and it should come out nice and smooth like so. So now I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of this wedding cake flavor. This is good. The link will be listed in the description box below. This is a flavor that is amazing. So I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract just to kick up this flavor a little bit, and just gonna add that and mix until it's incorporated. And look how nice and velvety this cake is. Now these are the colors I'm going to be using to color my batter. Now you want to divide your batter in 6 bowls. Here I'm starting off with the red, and to achieve this particular color you may need to add more of this color to achieve the red that you see here. And you want to mix until it's well combined and you have your red. Now in each bowl you want to add in 3 large scoops of the batter. Now here I'm going to color this one with the orange, and you want to mix each bowl well, and you want to make sure that the color is well incorporated. If you want more of a color, then add more batter to that particular color. Like starting off with the red, if you want more red to show up, start off with more batter. Now following up with the green, the yellow, and the blue, And then last but not least, we have our purple to mix in. And then we got all the colors: red, orange, and green, yellow, blue, and purple. So I'm using a 10-cup bun pan, and I'm going to be using this Easy Greasy Cake Release. You're going to take this brush and apply a generous amount to your pan. You want to get every nook and cranny of this pan. You want to evenly spread it around to make sure it is fully coated, and then add in your batter. I'm starting off with the red batter first. If you want more of the red, then just color more batter. But this Easy Greasy is amazing. Now I'm coming with the orange, and as you see, I'm adding the layer right on top, and then I smooth it out just a little bit. It's super simple. And then once you do that, you're just gonna follow up with each color, and remember the rainbow colors. Remember the order that they are in, and just follow along with that, or follow along with this video to see how to apply each color. So you got your red, your orange, your green, your yellow. Then we're gonna follow up with the blue. And just spread that out. And now, last but not least, the purple. Now, if your last layer don't equal 3 large scoops, that's fine. This will be your final color. You want to bake at 325 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes. Be sure to tap that pan and place it in the middle of your oven. Once it's done, it's going to come out looking like this. You're going to stick a stick in it until it comes out clean. And let me tell you, this cake is going to release like no other. All right. You're going to let your cake sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and put your cake board on there. Flip it over. I'm telling you, that Easy Greasy is amazing. So take your knife or a spatula and pop it. It's an easy release. Pop that pan off and look. The magic just happened. Isn't it beautiful? You guys, I enjoyed making this cake, and I hope you all will enjoy making this cake. It was fun. It's very tasteful, very moist. I loved it. You can do a vanilla icing over your cake, but of course, my family wanted the whole cake covered, and that's what I did. All right, so I took some vanilla buttercream icing and just covered the whole cake. That's how they wanted it. So creating this video for you guys, I said, why not show you? I just covered this pound cake, and now it's time for the reveal, which you guys already seen. Those beautiful colors come out nice, layered, and vibrant. So this knife I'm using is by Nakano. It cuts amazing. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And don't forget, it's your girl Ro about to go. But I'll definitely see y'all in the next video.